Akintola Olawale Peter. You're welcome to our educational YouTube channel at Scholars Card TV. This afternoon, we want to take a look at the topic, multiplication of fraction. But before I proceed, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Scholars Card TV. Thank you very much. Now, we have a question. 2 whole number 5/6 times 3 whole number 2/3. Now in this place, this 2 is a whole number and this 5/6 is a fraction. 3 is a whole number and 2/3 is a what? Fraction. 5/6 is a proper fraction. 2/3 is a what? Proper fraction. 2 whole number 5/6 is mixed numbers. Why 3 whole number 2/3 as what? They are what? Mixed numbers. Now in a case like this is multiplication of fraction. And you know what? You're going to express what? The mixed numbers as what? As an improper fraction. Now how do you express them as improper fraction? That is, you are going to multiply these 2 times 6 plus 5. Let us want to do that. You say these 2 multiplied by 6 plus 5. This will multiply, the whole of this will what? We multiply, we turn it to what? Improper fraction. We also turn this on to what? Improper fraction. Now let us go. 2 times 6, we have 2 times 6. 2 times the denominator plus the numerator, which is what? 5/6. Multiply. 3 times 3. 3 times 3. 3 times the denominator, which is 3, plus 2/3. Now, 2 times 6 will give us 12. Plus 5 will give us 17/6. 3 times 3 will give us 9. Plus 2 will give us 11/3. So in this place, we are going to find the product of the numerator. The product of the what? Of the numerator. Product of the denominator. Now in this place, we're going to multiply 17. The product of the numerator is what? 17 times 11. 17 times 11. 17 here over 6. Let me write it. Over 3 here. Now, the product of the numerator, 17 times 11, 17 times 11. Let us multiply that. Let me show you here. 17 times 11 will give us 187. But let me show you. 17 times 11. 1 times 7 will give us 7. 1 times 1 will give you, that's a space, sorry. Let me show you here. 17 times 11. Okay? Like I said, 17 times 11 will give us 187. But let me show you. 1 times 7 will give us 7. 1 times 1 will give you 1. 1 times 7 will give you 7. Then 1 times 1 will give you 1. We now add it together. 7. 7 plus 1 is what? 8. 1 plus nothing is what? 1. So our answer is what? 187. So we have 187 here. I have 187. 187. Divided by 6 times 3, we give you, that's 18. Now in this place, you now divide. 187 divided by 18 will give you 10. Remainder 7. over 8 because 87 is divided by 187 divided by 18. Give you 10. Be in 10 places. So remainder what? Remainder 7. Remainder 7 divided by what? 18. Let's check it. 10 times 8 plus 7 divided by what? Divided by 18. Sorry, this is 18 here. Not 8. Think of that. Now in this place, like I said, 187 divided by 18 gives us 10. Remainder 7 over what? 18. So to check whether our answer is correct, 10 times 8 is what? That's 180. That's what? That's what? 10 times 18, sorry. Plus 7 will give you that as what? 180. Plus 7 will give you that as what? 187 divided by what? 18. I repeat again. 10 times 18, which is what? 10 times 18 is what? 180. Plus 7 is what? 187 over what? 100. That's over what? 18. So that is that. So that's how to find your multiplication of fraction. Now let us look at another example again. We have 3 whole number 1 over 2 times 2 whole number 3 over 5. Like I said, this is what? These are mixed numbers. Multiplication of mixed numbers. So we are going to multiply the what? The mixed numbers and multiply it and convert it to what? To improper fraction. 3 times 2 plus 1, that's 7 over 2. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 3 is what? 11 over 5. Now 7 times 11 will give you 91, but let me show you. 11 times 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 1 again is what? 7 times 1 is what? 7 times 5. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 1 again is what? Is 7. So in this place now, we have what? 77 over 10. Do not forget that. Like I said, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is what? 7 over 2. 2 times 5 is what? Is 10. Plus 3 is what? Plus 3 is what? 13. Sorry, it's 13 over 5. So 13 times 7. 7 times 3 is what? 21, right? So 1, now put your 2 here. 7 times 1 is what? Is 7, plus 2 is what? 91. So we have what? 91 over 10. I hope you understand that. That is, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is what? 7 over what? 2. Then 2 times 5 is what? 10, plus 3 is what? 13 over 5. So we have converted them to what? We've converted to what? Improper fraction now. Because this is 7 and this is 2. So 7 is bigger than 2. There's no way we can what? We leave our answer that way because 2 cannot carry 7. Then 5 is what? This is 13. So the numerator is 13. Why the denominator is 5? So it's not possible that because 5 cannot carry 13. So we're going to multiply the numerator, find the numerator and the what? And the denominator. So 7 times 13 will give you 91. 2 times 5 will give you 10. Now 91 divided by 10, we're going to divide it and convert it to what? Mixed fraction, mixed numbers. So 91 divided by 10 will give you that as what? 9. How many 10 can you see 91? Give you that as what? 9. Remainder what? 1 over 10. That is, to check again, 9 times 10 plus 1 over 10. 9 times 10 is what? 90. Plus 1 again is what? 91 over 10. So 91 over 10. Can you see that? that they are corresponding. So that is our final answer. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Scholars Card TV. Thank you very much.